on the iPad through Schoology. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log in and you're going to type in your Watkinson email and your password. And once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to your home page or your recent activity. So what you want to do is go to the course for Math 7 Accelerated, whichever math class you happen to be in, and open that up. And some of these videos that you're seeing right now on how to use Schoology, those are going to be in that first folder right up on top, followed by all of our class units in order of what topics we're covering for the rest of the year. So for example, in the Math 7 Accelerated class, we are going to start working with variables as we return from break. And the first assignment under working variables is called manipulating variables, and it's obviously labeled assignment number 1, manipulating variables. And there will be many more assignments. However, they will all be numbered in order. So every day you'll come to class and you'll know which number assignment we're on. Once you click on that assignment, inside you see the links for the quick quiz, the think, and the dig deeper. If you select one of those documents, it will open up just as it would open up out of Evernote, out of iBooks, anywhere really. So then you open in Notability, and you follow the steps that you're used to. You create a new note, you click OK, and now we are logged in to work on our quick quiz. So I'm going to put my name and just that this is a test submission, right? Now, how do I submit work when we're using Schoology? Just the same way you would submit work when we were using Evernote. You click the arrow, and instead you will say Open Note In, and you'll choose Schoology. Now, Schoology says select the course, so which course you're enrolled in. There should only be one course for you, but just in case one of your other classes is using Schoology, you'll be able to select your math class. And then it says, which assignment are you submitting for? Well, we were working on number 1. Uploading to number 1, Dropbox item added. Click OK. You are done. That means that your work has been submitted to class. So if you want to double check that you have submitted, you can go into Assignments, click on Manipulating Variables again, and check the Dropbox. And you can see that there is a revision for that assignment, and you can open it up, and there's the test that I produced. So whenever you're looking or you want to double check that you submitted your work, instead of just going into the assignment itself, the quick quiz, the think, the dig deeper, you can click on the Dropbox option, and that will show you all of the work that you submitted for that particular assignment. So you can submit your quick quiz, your think, and your dig deeper all to this one assignment. That will be the procedure. If you click on comments, obviously there's no posts found. But what will happen is once I receive your work in your Dropbox, I can make notes on it, I can comment on it, I can give you a grade, and immediately in that comment section, you will see those notes and you will also see your grade. So this will help us keep our grading up to date as well. Okay. Another thing about Schoology that you might want to know is that if you click on Updates, this is where there's going to be kind of a discussion board where you can post, ask questions, communicate with your classmates, and that sort of thing. If you click on Grades, course grade, right now my grade is 100%. But if you click on the winter trimester, you can look at your daily work, your homework. There will be lots of categories, so it will give you your overall course grade, but it will also give you the breakdown of your percentages of how you're doing on participation, how you're doing on your homework, how you're doing on your daily stages. So these will constantly be changing and up to date. The members of our class will also include everyone in the class as we update, so don't worry about that. The big tab, I think, for the beginning is going to be the Materials tab, learning how to access the classwork using the folder system. And it's very similar to using folders on a computer or other things. The real reason I love Schoology is that we can access our assignments, but also submit our assignments and see our grades on this one activity. And it should be much easier for you to access at home as well, because the online version of Schoology looks exactly like this. Okay? If you have any questions, we'll have plenty of time in class to talk about them. Thanks.